Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from One Stop Solution, and in this video, I will show you how to enable replies to your Instagram stories. Allowing replies can encourage more engagement and make it easier for friends and followers to interact with your content. So, let's get started on how to enable story replies on Instagram. Start by opening the Instagram app on your device. Go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap on Messages and Story Replies. Then, in the menu, tap on Story Replies. Under Allow Message Replies, choose Allow Replies from all followers or followers that you follow back. And that's how you can enable Story Replies on Instagram. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.